Hey guys, what's up? I'm Cherie from Cherie And Kels.
Coolin' with the coolies and the coolie mob. Kids, you should come and kick it with the coolie mob. Chicks, cause it's the coolie mob. It's the coolie mob. Come and kick it with the coolie mob. We on some coolie mob.
I'm gonna be doing a DIY, a Dollar Tree DIY. I'm gonna be making a full wall, well, not a full wall mirror, but a wall mirror. And I'm gonna be making it out of, I think 8 to 10 mirrors and putting it on, I don't know, kind of like this cardboard thing, whatever. I'll make sure I know what it's called later, but I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a wall mirror. I'm going to change it from black to rose gold. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. So continue watching and you shall see the steps.
Okay, so I started out by taking the cardboard off of all 8 of the mirrors and then just cleaning it up a little bit. I also took the mirrors out of each frame so I would be able to paint the frame without getting the paint on the mirror. Okay, so this is the paint that I used to paint all the frames rose gold. And then I just spray painted them all outside. It said do it in a well ventilated area or outside. I only did 1 coat of paint, and then after it dried a little bit, I just touched up the areas that looked like it needed to be touched up. Okay, so now back inside, I'm going to put all the frames and the mirrors back together. I waited about 24 hours for my frames to dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it together and glue it to the foam board. Now I'm gluing it to the foam board. I use E6000 glue to just glue the mirrors on. I even use E6000 glue to glue the 2 foam boards together so it can make a longer mirror. Here is me adding the 2 foam boards together and gluing it together. I only put about 2 coats of glue on this. It really didn't matter because when I glued the mirror onto it, it was going to hold it together regardless. After I glued the last mirror on, I just cut off the excess foam board and then I had my mirror. Here is my finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share my channel. Coolie Mob out.
Coolin' with the coolies and the coolie mob. Kids, you should come and kick it with the coolie mob. Chicks, cause it's the coolie mob. It's the coolie mob. Come and kick it with the coolie mob. We on some coolie mob shit.